We're ready. Santa's been.
Hello, darling.
Oh, there's a pretty girl. Oh,
Merry Christmas.
What do you say, Kerry?
Merry Christmas.
What do you say?
See what's there?
Kerry.
And Santa Bee.
Dumbstruck.
Santa bought
Yeah, Santa bought.
my toys.
Look at all those presents.
Look at all those parcels.
I'm not sure they're all yours, but there's a lot of them in there that must be yours, because there's things for Daddy and Mummy and me and Grandad too.
That's Evie.
And Evie. Yes, Evie too.
Evie and her
Oh, hello, Evie.
My Barbie.
Hello, little Christmas
You got
girl.
a picture of her?
I will. I don't want to shine the light in the face or frighten her or something.
We'll turn the lights on.
I'll turn the light on in a minute.
My air.
We put some lights on.
Oh, is that